What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have some brand new headlights to show you guys. So these are the form lighting headlights. So they've been around for a little bit of time now, but these are the new ones because they are selectable. So you can select whether you want amber DRL or the white DRL. So Alpha Rex Morimoto, they've been doing that already for some time now, but Form just started doing that with these, and we've ran Form in the past before and they were really good. So we got a set on this Tacoma here, and you can see that there is 3 projectors in there. Very clean cutoff line. So my personal preference is always amber. So that's what we have going on here. And then it matches the grill lights that we have on this truck as well. And the black kind of background or black lens that they got going on back there just has a very nice contrast with the white, or pretty much any vehicle out there, even black, because black on black looks better than black on chrome. So if you're still running the chrome headlights and it's almost time to upgrade, I would upgrade them to something that has a black housing like this one. So these are the factory TRD Pro headlights, but you can see where they still use the reflector technology, which is good, but they don't really provide you a very clean, high put light on the street, on the road. So we're going to get that swapped out with the form lighting. So one of the only unfortunate parts of installing headlights is you do have to take off the entire bumper to get to this single bolt that's right here. I'm not sure why Toyota did it that way, but we're going to get this entire bumper off along with the grill. So we got the grill pulled off here, and part of the bumper just hanging, because this is as much as we really need to pull it off, because we gotta access that, pull this up a little bit, and then there's this one bolt over here on the side of the headlight I was talking about. So we get 2, and then we got these 2 on top here, there, and right there. So what's nice with these LED headlights too is that there's only one connector on there, so you don't have to worry about anything else. So with pretty much every aftermarket headlight manufacturer, you do have to transfer this piece to the new headlight, but it's very simple to do. There's only 2 tiny little screws that are attached to the factory headlight, so pull those off and transfer it to the new headlights. And Form will provide you with 2 separate harnesses. So if you have LED headlights, you'll use this one, which have all the connectors come out of the headlights, the new headlights, and then into a single connector. So that's for LED. And then the other one here is for all the other models that don't have LED headlights from factory. In the back of the Form headlights, there's going to be this purple connector here, or purple wire with a connector on it. If you want the amber DRLs, you would just disconnect this. It comes, for us at least, connected, so it's standard with white, so just disconnect that. If you want amber, that's pretty much what we're going to do here. A quick little tip too when installing headlights: these corners right here, this one right here, and pretty much this entire section is in the danger zone. So when installing this, kind of line this up first, so that way your lens doesn't actually get scratched. Pop these guys in place here, here, and then down here. Then you should be good to kind of let go and install everything else. Then, like I said, we're going to install this trim that we pulled off the factory headlight right there, and then put all the screws in. So the low beam and the high beam connectors are going to be the exact same size. Everything else can only go in one connector. So plug it in, turn the low beams on, and if it doesn't work, flip flop these 2, and then you'll be good to go. And in the back, we got the Form lighting tail lights. This is the smoked version. They have 2 versions, smoked and red. The smoked one looks really nice on white. Again, it just looks really nice. And then this is the pattern or the styling that they have. There's 4 kind of little fingers in there, and then 1 big bar that runs down the length of it. These taillights have a very cool startup sequence, It does start up pretty long, so if you like watching the startup sequence, this is the perfect tail light for you. That's only if you flip it on and you let it run through its cycle, but if you just start it up and start driving, it's gonna cut it off pretty quick and you can just start driving away with it. But pretty cool feature to kind of show people and show off these taillights. So install is literally just plug in all the connectors that you unplugged from your factory taillights, then you'll just reinstall it how you pulled it off. As far as comparing these to like an Alpha X or a Morimoto, I personally think they're up there with those guys as well at a much lower price point. So if you're looking for new headlights and you don't want to break the bank too much, because these are still $1,000, they're not the cheap Amazon, eBay headlights that you see from those other manufacturers that kind of don't have a brand. Form Lighting at least has a brand and it's backed by Dow Dynamics, so you know it's good stuff. So I will have a link to these headlights down in the description if you want to take a look at them. And we'll probably have them on display here in our Denver location as well. So if you wanted to come by and take a look at them, we probably will have them here. So if you're new, not subscribed to the channel, let us know what you guys want to see, and we'll see you guys in another video.